Gosh, I'm so hot. Just swinging, same city, same friends if you're looking for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Revlon blow dry brush, and no more talking, let's get into the video.
Rising with you till the night ends on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Lying if I said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you were the truth. So come closer, won't you? Won't you?
tgin.
I'm so hot. We're gonna take this to the basement. We're gonna take this to the basement because I'm hot. I'm so hot. It's ridiculous. Oh, okay. I will say that this process is super quick. If you're looking for a product to blow dry your hair quickly for a cheap price, I would recommend this brush. But the problem, we need the roots to be straight. Like, the roots look like they were crimped and the ends look like, so that's my biggest issue, honestly. I must turn around so you can see that the roots are like curly-ish. But yeah, that's my biggest issue, is that it looks like I crimped my hair and I didn't blow dry it. But yeah, this is the end of this video, so thanks for watching, guys. Bye.